Do you want to auto sort your device by arranging apps in categories in forms that will make it easier for you to concentrate on what you are doing? Then follow this tutorial. Firstly, you have to download the app from Play Store. Second, you type Smart Launcher. Then click on Install. Actually, this is the first time that I am rating an app on Google Play. This is simply the best launcher. Download it if you can. So it's still installing. It's supposed to be done by now. Supposed to be done by now. Let's see if we can speed it up. One thing I like about this launcher is that it makes your interface more like the iPhone because of its zoom effect. Can you see that? This is liquid glass, but it's for the premium version. You get widgets, battery, music, and customized widgets. Can change some settings. It's a great launcher, I must be honest. But this is not is some of the reasons why I like it. These are some of the reasons. So it's supposed to be installed by now. The main reason why I like it is because it increases your productivity. It increases your productivity. Let's go to a video and see what else we can do with the launcher. is an excellent one. So let's dive right into it by opening it. Right, I've heard. Continue while using the app. No, I don't want premium. Set as default. Now, this is our interface. This is our interface. Isn't it nice? You can set up your feed, add new sources, you know. Let's just use, if we're interested in tech, just search for tech. Tech. Let's choose which one are we going to choose? Well, this is what you can do on your own, so maybe later you do it. So take a look at this. Enable auto app sorting. Confirm. Done. Your apps are now categorized. So this is the contacts. Now this is the internet. Now this is your games. This is your media files. YouTube, TikTok should be here too. No, TikTok will be somewhere here. I don't have TikTok right now. So media, yeah, YouTube, utilities, you can see cloud is supposed to be here. What is in utilities? But it's no problem. Alright, so here's our settings. And in our settings, we have this interface. I'm going to make a video about this app too. Clevertype. I'm going to make a video about the app. So there is another way that you can sort your apps automatically by using this app called Launcher. But this one is the best. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.